According to the survey, memorizing words is a big headache for most students in learning English. In that sense, this is a common response from students. In my opinion, if you don't have a practical way to learn it, although you can remember some, they go out of your mind soon. Here are some suggestions about this thing. Firstly, you should have a deeper understanding of learning English. The words' pronunciation and spelling are linked. You should improve your pronunciation to remember them better. In addition, the key to memorizing words is not for memorizing, but for speaking, taking, and writing. What's more, keep using them so that you can remember them forever, and don't forget them anymore. At last, when you use the words, require grammar and spelling to be correct. I think learning English words will not be a problem anymore if you take my advice.